First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Firebase and press Enter. Now click on the first link that appears. When the website opens, click on Go to Console. If your Google account is already logged in, the console will open automatically. If not, simply sign in with your Google account. Once the console opens on the home screen, click Get Started by setting up a Firebase project. Now enter the name of your app. After that, check the box I accept the Firebase terms and click Continue. On the next screen, click Continue again. Now you will see the Google Analytics option. Check I accept Google Analytics, then click Create Project. It may take a few moments for the project to be created. Once the project is ready, click Continue. Now go to the left side menu and click Authentication. Then click Get Started. Next, open Sign-in method and enable both email/password and anonymous sign-in methods. After that, go to the side menu again and click Firebase Database. Then click Create Database. Here, leave Standard Edition selected and click Next. Click Next again. Now choose Start in Test Mode and click Create. Once the database is created, click the gear icon settings at the top. Scroll down the page and select the Web option. Enter your app name, then click Register App. Firebase will now provide you with configuration keys and code. Copy all of these keys and add them to your project's .env file, and that's it. After completing these steps, your Firebase database will be ready to connect with your web application. First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type GitHub and press Enter. Now click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the website opens, click on Sign Up. After that, click on Continue with Google. Now sign in using your Google account. And just like that, your GitHub account will be created successfully. First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Vercel and press Enter. Now click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the website opens, click on Sign Up. After that, choose the second option, which is Working on Personal. Now enter your name, then click Continue. On the next screen, click Continue with GitHub. After that, you will see an Install button. Click Install, and then click Install again to confirm. Once you complete these steps, your GitHub account will be connected with Vercel, and your Vercel account will be created successfully.